We are going to see the components for the line for our robot, and these are the stepper motors. We need two stepper motor and H bridge, and these are the two wheels, and we have two infrared sensors for sensing the lines. And this is the Arduino NG or older board. We have the jumper wires and the connectors for the 9-volt battery, and the supporting pillars and the supporting wheel, front wheel, some nuts, and the two 9 volts battery along with the USB interface for the board and the screwdriver. We are going to assemble the line for our robot, and these are the components. First, take the H bridge and connect for pillars for the H bridge, along with connect the motor servo in the right side of the H bridge with the pillar. Connect the left side motor to the H bridge and screw it tightly. Then connect the supporting wheel in the front side of the H bridge before the microprocessor. Screw it firmly in the H bridge. Connect the remaining two supporting pillars to the H bridge, which supports the board. Now connect the two sensors in the front side where the supporting wheel has been placed. Try to obtain the V-shaped portion of the sensors so that it can sense properly. Now connect the two wheel with the motors and tie it firmly in the vertical portion. And now connect the Arduino NG older board to line for our kit. Screw it tightly. Thank you. we are going to see the pin connection for the infrared board. There are unlock pins from starting from A0 to A5. Connect the sensor with A0 on the left side, sensor with A2 unlock pin, and then now connect the motor pins with the H bridge with the M1 out and M2 out. That is, connect the right motor with M1 out, and then connect the left motor with the M2 out. These are the output from the H bridge. And now connect the M1 in and M2 in along with the pins of the output pins of the Arduino board. That is from the pin 8, 9, 10, 11. Now connect the connector with the battery, which is supplied to the board. Place it in the back side. Connect the board, power on, connect the H bridge, and some motor runs. Thank you.